We're going to be looking at finding the percents of a number that are larger than 100. In other words, finding things like 200% of a number, 300% of a number, 150% of a number. So let's take a look at what we're talking about here. Our first question is, what is 200% of 25? Well, perhaps we should start out with realizing that we're trying to find 200% of this number, of 25. Well, what's 100%? 100% in this case equals 25, right? That's what we started with. That is our whole, 100%. So if 100% is 25, well, 200% would have to be twice as much. Basically, we are doubling or multiplying by 2 here. 200% would equal 50. 300% would be 3 times as much. In other words, 300% would equal 75. 400% of 25 would equal 100. Another way to think of this is back to what we had done earlier in the year using the percent equation, where the part equals the percent multiplied by the whole. In other words, the part equals the percent multiplied by the whole. In this case, we would be trying to find, let's take 200% multiplied by 25. And remember, in order to do this, we have to convert the percent to a decimal. 200% is the same as 2 wholes multiplied by 25, and that, of course, would equal 50. And in this case, in this particular example, it may confuse you that what we're calling your part is larger than what our whole was. But that makes perfect sense because the percent that we're looking at here, 200%, is larger than the whole, 100%, which would be 25.